morning. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to Alright, What's Next? Thanks for asking. Today, what do we got going on? I want to make a mechanical pencil. It is the Anvil EDC pencil kit from Penn State, not the college. It is identical to this pen kit. It's that style right there. It's what I carry every day. That's what EDC stands for, everyday carry. Now, out here in the shop, I don't have much of a use for a pencil. Because if you're going to do layout lines, marking on wood, whatever, you probably don't want to do it in freaking ink because the ink's going to sink in. Then you got to sand off like a 1/16 inch of freaking wood to get that ink out of there. I want a mechanical pencil. Not only do I want a mechanical pencil, but I want an Alright, What's Next freaking themed mechanical pencil. And by themed, what I've got is mica powder. This is beer colored. And then I've got white. You got to have a foamy head on there. I got my well-used freaking lizard blank here, and I got my silicone stop blocks in here. You watched the previous video, the Saving Private Resin video. If I think about it, I'll freaking link to it. But what the silicone does is it reduces waste. Because when you make your pen, you're only making the blank portion here. So if I use this entire freaking mold, I get the whole damn pen in there. I don't need that much resin. Resin's expensive. What you want is just the non-metal portion, which will be that, so we can pull that chunk out. And then our freaking just the blank will sit in there and save us a tremendous amount of resin. Now, I've got this cut already. It should actually extend down here and I could save myself a little bit more resin, but I'm not going to recut it or make another one because the silicone rubber is actually kind of expensive. What we're going to use to make it, if you watch any of my other videos, which I'm sure you haven't because nobody does, is the amazing Clearcast 2-part epoxy resin. I get this stuff at Hobby Lobby. You can also get it off Amazon. It's like $18 for this kit. That's what we're going to use. Get my freaking good old-fashioned Harbor Freight gloves on. If anybody shops at Harbor Freight has like the best deals in freaking gloves. Alright. The beer, of course, is going to be the primary amount that we're going to pour. Shit. Hold on a second. We need one more. We need a divider in here. That'll work right there. We want a divider because we want to pour our beer in there first, and then we're going to pour the white in this other chamber, and then pull the divider out and let them freaking mix. Because if you just try and pour them out, they're going to layered. When you're doing resin, you want to do one batch. I don't want to do a batch for the beer and a batch for the white. If I did 2 different batches, you won't get the mix exact. I guarantee you won't get the mix exact. It's pretty much impossible. And they will have different densities, and one will float on top of the other one. So what you want to do is we're going to probably do 2 full cups of this. And we're going to dump it in a Dixie cup, mix it up, then we'll separate it and get our 2 colors. I really think 2, we'll have a look at it once we get it poured. That's part B. That's all right. Doesn't matter which one you start with. All right, that ought to be sufficiently stirred. So now we need to separate it. And I'm not going to use, I'm going to separate some of this out. That will be the white. Slide our divider over a little bit more. Now I think I've gotten overkill on the mica powder because this shit does go a long ways. But but I don't want it to be translucent. That one's thoroughly mixed. Alright, so we're going to hold our divider down. Let's put that in there with our divider held down. Let's pour this one in. Make the levels match. And then we will wiggle our divider out. That can go in the garbage. I guess I can just... Okay. Now it's time to very gently take it over, put it in the pressure pot, and hope when these things have their exothermic reaction that they don't freaking intertwine too much. You want some because, you know, the head on a freaking beer is going to freaking get into the actual beer itself. Hey, all right. We got the blank. It's done. Right now, it looks kind of like beer. I don't know if it will after we turn it, but now we need to put it in the lathe and see what we can come up with. I need some bushings. Then we need a pen mandrel. That would be this guy here. It goes in there. Then we need the mandrel saver tailstock end here. That's going to go in there. All right, now we're on to the final friggin' part of it. We gotta assemble this pencil. This is a pencil. I haven't done a pencil. And I have, just not on camera. Wait, this will be the top end that'll stick out of your pocket. So that will be where the clip is gonna go. We're gonna put the clip on this side right here. And we got that grip end on here. We got a little screwy end. That goes in like that. Then you got the actual pencil, mechanical pencil assembly. That will drop in and it just screws into place. There we go. That is my beer mug themed pencil. I wish the focus, fucker. I wish the white would have extended all the way around, but it does look like a mug of beer where the foam is pouring out over the side. All right, this one's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that like button. Remember, hit that like button. See you next time.